EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich with your outlook for December 4th, 2025. Thursday's video forecast is proudly sponsored by Kleckner & Sons Appliances. Family-owned and operated, Kleckner & Sons have been serving the greater Lehigh Valley region since 1945. Kleckner & Sons are here to serve your appliance needs at two convenient locations in the Lehigh Valley, 2177 MacArthur Road in Whitehall and 575 Chestnut Street in Emmaus. The leader in sales and service prides itself on providing outstanding continuous customer service from the moment the customer steps through the door. Kleckner's provides a wide range of name brand appliances and parts to target all of your appliance needs. They also offer professional delivery and installation options as well as repair services performed by in-house qualified technicians. From kitchen renovations to small specialty appliances to a new laundry pair, Kleckner's has you covered. For more information or inquiries, please contact one of their showroom locations or check out their website at klecknerandsons.com or give them a call at the phone number above me here in the video, 610-433-4202. Experience the small business difference for yourself. Shop at Kleckner & Sons Appliances, proud sponsor of the Thursday video forecast. We have a cold front moving through today, and you're probably thinking, what do you mean cold front? It's already cold. And it is. It's going to get even colder behind this front. So here's the cold front as it's situated this morning. This is looking at 10 a.m. this morning behind this, and here it is. This is the colder than average temperatures that we have in place for today. So temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s for most areas. You see above me 36 to 40 is the temperature spread today. Technically, that is about 10 degrees or so below average, okay? So that's what you have across the region here, 10 to 11, something like that below average. So see this up here that I'm circling? This is the Barney cold, so to speak. It reminds me of that purple dinosaur, right? So as it moves forward to Friday, we have a much different scenario here. This is actually going to start tonight with very cold temperatures that are going to be on either side of 10 overnight tonight. You're going to have some places in the interior are going to be in the single digits. But we're looking at 10, 12 degrees in our central areas and then maybe getting to about 20 if you're lucky in our southeastern areas. It's going to be pretty cold tonight. And once we get into Friday, we are going to have temperatures that are going to be almost 20 degrees below average, so highs will not be out of the 20s in a lot of our interior locations. And even Philadelphia along I-95 is going to be near the freezing mark, and that's it. That's all we got. Here's that cold front moving through. Not much fanfare with it as far as precipitation. As we get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, we start this off at 10 o'clock this morning, and here's the front sitting draped from Utica back to Syracuse and heading down to Erie, Pennsylvania, and Bradford in those areas. As this moves eastward, it's going to kind of fall apart, but there will be some snow showers, especially across the Poconos, as this moves through early this afternoon, and as that continues further south and east. Not impossible to see something a little bit further south, like a flurry or a snow shower, but there is not going to be anything concentrated really with this. It's just a passing snow shower or flurry. It's going to turn breezy today once that front passes too, so we're going to have those wind gusts. Nothing crazy because we don't have a well-aligned flow aloft, so we're going to have some breezy conditions with a cold front, cold air advection, again, which is crazy because we're going from, we're going to be 36 to 40 today, but you just see above me for tomorrow, 27 to 32. So we're going down even further to well below average temperatures, and this will be the first of 2 times this week we have that. We'll get to that in a second. But as this moves through, winds are going to pick up 10 to 15 with some gusts 20 to 25, maybe 30 in elevations this afternoon as that moves through, and then winds are going to diminish this evening as this completely heads off. Now, I'm going to go to the next system here, which is Friday. This has been interesting the last couple of days, at least for our southeastern areas. The same areas that got skunked in the last event now have at least an opportunity for some snow showers and some minor coatings with this. This is the European model that ran this evening. It's not much, but look where it's targeting. Southeast PA, far southeastern portions of southeastern PA, closer to the Philadelphia metro, heading into parts of New Jersey, all the way to the coast. And this is just real light stuff. Festive, it's snowing, physically snowing. And since it's going to be so cold on Friday, this is sticking everywhere, okay? But it's just not going to be that much. There's only a little bit of snow as we get during the day on Friday, especially during the afternoon and early evening. And as we get over the NAM really doesn't have too much. It has it in earnest over parts of western Virginia here. And as it moves eastward, it kind of just falls apart once it gets to gets to the southern 2/3 of Delaware, maybe far southern New Jersey, and then just that's it, and it's out. If we take a look at the high resolution rapid refresh that ran this evening, however, it's a little bit more northwest than the NAM has it. It gets some snowflakes here, at least into southeast PA, central and southern New Jersey. The heaviest would be in southern Delaware all the way up through the shore points here. You can see that here, okay? And when I say heaviest, I'm talking about is the difference between maybe a coating to a half inch up in these areas and maybe an inch or inch and a half or something like that a little bit further south. So there is the opportunity at least for some snow showers. Is it map worthy? I don't think so, but we'll continue to monitor it. The GFS, which has been completely ignoring the system and saying, nope, it's just going to slide out to sea, has now come around to the idea that there will be snow showers across our southeastern areas. So we'll keep an eye on that. Not a real big deal, but for those areas, it is a big deal. And especially since you're usually expecting rain at this point in December. This is not unprecedented for this early, but it's a little early to see that kind of snowfall down in those particular areas. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that just in case, but that is your Friday night system. Late Friday and Friday evening, I should say. As we get past this on Saturday and Sunday, temperatures are going to be still below average, but not quite as cold as it will be on Friday. Our next systems is a cold front that's going to move through here on Sunday. You can see it kind of up to the north here. Here's Sunday morning, and the cold front is sitting up here like this, and this is going to head down like in this direction. So when that moves through, we're going to have another shot of cold air come in here from Monday, and we can see that here on the ensembles where you get a little bit of a break here on Saturday and Sunday, and then here's the next one on Monday, and you get more of this purple over top of you, which of course is well below average temperatures. That's what we're looking forward to on Monday as well. Monday and Tuesday, in fact, are going to have this colder than average temperature. The colder than average temperatures are going to be in place, okay? Wednesday, you moderate ahead of another system, and then we're going to go right back into the cold again. So this is a wash, rinse, repeat pattern where we get very cold temperatures relative to average on several occasions in this, just within this upcoming week, okay? Once we get to Tuesday, there's another system approaching from the north. This is going to bring the opportunity for some few snow showers Tuesday afternoon and evening. This is one of those fast-moving clipper systems. There will be several of these in the upcoming week. There's another one coming in maybe late Wednesday into Thursday, and then there might be another one here as we get into the following weekend. So there's a bunch of these lined up, okay? Any one of these can give you some snow showers, not big storms. This is not a big storm pattern. It's a plus teenage pattern. This is what I was talking about in the Weather Weekly's videos that I've been talking about for the last couple of weeks. This is the kind of pattern you get: a fast-moving, progressive, the northern stream systems, very light precipitation. There's a possibility that if one of these track further south, you can get a little bit more juicy with this, but none of them are projected currently to do that, okay? They're just quick-moving systems in and out, a couple hours in and out, a couple hours in and out. Same thing with this one, a couple hours in and out. We're going to watch that one. I want to pay attention to this particular one here between the 11th and 13th. I think that one has the better potential of the three, but we'll see how that trends in the next couple days. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for December 4th, 2025. Have a great Thursday.